Jamaica will not have the winner of the men's 200-meter event at the national trials for the upcoming World Championships in Eugene, Oregon, as Andrew Hudson's eligibility status to represent the country will not take effect until after the championships. However, the sprinter will be eligible to represent the country at the Commonwealth Games if selected.
It would have come as a blow to Andrew Hudson that he will not be eligible to represent Jamaica at the World Athletics Championships in Eugene in just over 12 days' time, despite winning the 200 meters at the National Championships and attaining the entry standard. Hudson, who competed for the United States, has switched allegiance to represent the country of his father's birth, but will not be eligible to do so until July 28, 4 days after the completion of the Eugene World Championships. He told us why he made the switch after winning the national title at the National Stadium.
Well, of course, I'm sure everybody knows I'm American, Jamaican, my father. He's from right here in Kingston, so shout out to Kingston. I want to represent my other half of my blood, I want to represent my dad, I want to represent myself, so I feel like I came out here and I did that.
He wasn't fancied entering the event, so was he surprised by the performance?
No. I train hard every day to come out here and win. I'm sure like the other guys, nobody trains to lose, so I wasn't surprised.
And the 25-year-old also spoke about what Jamaicans can expect of him as an athlete.
Expect hard work, and for me to give it my all. I'm coming here to bear Jamaican colors now. That's what I plan to do.
Hudson, who is still considered a U.S. athlete until July 27, owns personal bests of 10.13 over 100 meters done in 2019 and 20.20 seconds over 200 meters run last year.